You can get up to $200,000 in trading capital and use it to trade crypto on Bybit. And a lot of people don't know this. Make sure you stick around and watch this video to the end while I guide you on step by step on how to take advantage of this crypto prop firm company that is partnering with Bybit. My name is Biggest DC. Some of you call me Dream Chaser. Welcome to my channel. Let's fucking go. So this particular wonderful platform is known as Mubite. Mubite is partnered with Bybit, and Mubite is a prop firm company that is partnered with Bybit and providing traders with funds all over the world. So for you to sign up on Mubite and get a lot of discounts, make sure you use the link in the description box of this video to sign up on Mubite. That is my partnership link. You're going to be having a lot of discounts. You're going to get a lot of discounts while purchasing accounts to trade here. So having said that, you sign up on Mubite, step 1. Step 2, for those of you that don't have a Bybit account, make sure you sign up on Bybit using my partnership link also in the description box of this video. You're going to be getting a lot of airdrops, rewards just for doing this. This is how the interface of Mubite looks like. So I have an account already and I've created mine. So I'm going to click on this trade dash here and come to this dashboard. So now I want to buy an account. So let's click on buy account. Now we have different types of accounts here. We have from 1,250, 2,005, 5,000 up to 100,000. Okay, at 100,000, this particular account is going for $4,999 for instant funding. So there are different types of programs. You have to go through this particular platform, just check the type of program that will suit your trading style or what you want and go for it. So let's test with the account of 1,250. But the interesting thing about this is, or some important things you need to know, is maximum drawdown. So in this account, if you lose up to 10%, that is the maximum drawdown is going to be taken from you. Okay, so when you make profit and you want to withdraw, profit split, you have 70%. So let's say you make $100, you will be going home with $70 while the company takes $30. So basically it's just like a partnership. Okay, so you can trade with 1x to 100x leverage. Okay, then one also interesting thing about this particular platform is that you are doing it on Bybit. All your trades are going to be carried out on Bybit, and because of it's on Bybit, you have access to about 600 pairs or more. Unlike some crypto prop firm that you just have access to maybe 10 trading pairs. On here, you can trade as much altcoin and obviously Bitcoin. So we're clicking on continue. So when you click on continue, proceed to checkout. The reason why they are telling you connect your Bybit now is because of you are trading on Bybit. But then I'm going to show you how to connect it. So for now, don't bother about this. So fund your account or pay from anywhere. So yes, please, you fill in your details, pay with crypto. A wallet address is going to come out. You pay with crypto. So now let's say you have paid. You now have an account, right? So when you have an account, you just come back to this point. You click on challenges, right? So when you click on challenges, me, I have $100,000 account, instant funding account, $100,000. So right now, let us connect it to Bybit, because right now it's not connected to Bybit, so we're going to connect to Bybit. Now, when you want to connect to Bybit, I implore you to log in your account on the desktop version, because on your browser. So that's the desktop version, because it is more easier doing it from there. Then after maybe connecting it and everything, you can then go back to maybe using your phone, for those of you that are comfortable using your phone to trade. Okay, so let's go to Bybit. So this is my Bybit dashboard. For security reasons, I removed all the money here. So this is my Bybit dashboard, right? So for those of you that don't know how I got here, this is when you log in on Bybit on desktop, this is what you're going to have. Then you click on this, your profile icon here. So when you click on it, it brings you to this place. Now, there's something we're going to do together, which is creating a sub account. Okay, so when you click on that main account, you're going to see sub account. So I implore you, create a sub account. Me, I've created mine already, but I implore you to create your own. So click on create. When you click on create, this is what is going to pop up. You're going to have something like this that pops up, right? So name the account, but for this particular video, I employ you to put maybe Mubite. You can just put Mubite 1, Mubite 2, or Mubite for Dream Chaser. I'm just kidding. Okay, so after that, you confirm your sub accounts have been created. So in my own case, since I've created my own sub account, you can see this sub account, Mubite for Dream Chaser. So let me click on Mubite for Dream Chaser. It has taken me to my sub account. Now in my sub account, we're going to do this. You can see successfully switched to Mubite for Dream Chaser. Then come on tools. When you come on tools, click on tools. When you click on tools, we're going to go to demo trading. So clicked on demo trading. Welcome to demo trading. So on demo trading, a button might pop up, which is start trading with 100k demo assets. Please do not accept this. So you can, to remove this, you can click on refresh, or you can click on something else here. So me, I'm going to click on asset, then I'm going to go to unified trade accounts. So once I do this, that button stops popping up. So you can see that now I have zero equity, zero balance on my demo account, on the Mubite sub account I created, which is what we actually need. Then what we now need to do is that we need to get our API out, right? So when you click on this M, for me, because why M is showing, because I created it with Mubite, so M represents Mubite, right? That's the name I put. If you put Kinsley, you will see K there, so it's subjective. So click on API. So when you click on API, this is what comes up. You click on create new, then you click on system generated API keys. So when you click on that, see the buttons I'm going to click, you need to make sure you pay attention to it so that you don't make a mistake, okay? So now I'm going to put remark Mubite, okay? Mubite, and click on read and write, okay? Then no IP restriction is already automatically there. Then click on unified trading, click on assets. Then when you do this, you submit. Now, this button is very important. This is your API key and API secret, right? So we're going to be copying, and we're going to be taking it to the other page, okay? So you can still copy it out and write it somewhere, or keep it somewhere in case you think you are going to make a mistake. In my own case, I'm also using another phone, my phone, to snap it so that I don't make a mistake, okay? So either way, it's okay, okay? So API key, I need to go to the other tab. So please, before you click understood, do not click on understood until you have copied and pasted. So you see I copied API key first, then I'll go to the other tab, which is my crypto prop firm with Mubite. If I click on connect, you click here. You have watch, no need to watch all those. I've already explained it here. You click here. You have your API. You have this. So the first one we got was API key, which is I just posted there. Now API secret, I've copied this. Come back here. I put my API secrets. Then test connection. I click on test connection. All right. Then I click on connect accounts. And my 100K has been funded to Bybit. So when I come back to Bybit, understood that I don't need this again. Click on assets. And why mine is 100K is because of, why it is 100K is because of I have a 100K account. I got a 100K account, instant funding, for about, I think, 4,900 and something, right? Yeah. So this is it. It's now here. So now I can now start trading any assets. If you have any question, you can drop them in the comment section. If you found this video valuable, drop a comment in the comment section, smash the like button, and share this video to another crypto enthusiast to take advantage of this particular prop firm company that is in partnership with Bybit, 100% legit. See you in the